Field parameters are still going to be very powerful. So in order to create field parameters, make sure that you go to modeling, new parameters and fields. There's a lot of different guides you can look up in YouTube and everything. But the most important thing is when it comes to categorical data, it's quite simple. So if you go here to fields, you can just go to the main data set and, for example, say something like, I want to have a switch between subscription model and membership type. You can just drag them in. That's going to create a new slicer right here, new parameter. And I'm going to use that right here. So parameter 2, I'm going to use that. I remove the value. Go. So once I have this, what I can do is it allows me to switch between two different mechanisms. It's quite simple when you do it with categorical data. It's a lot it's a lot trickier when you do it with values. Because the first thing that you want to do is do exactly the same, right? Go to modeling, new parameter fields, and just take your values as columns. It's not going to be working because it's not an aggregate value. So what you need to do prior to this, if you also want to create a switch for the values, you need to convert them into a measure. So for example, let's say, I don't know, I had something like a total revenue, and then I have customer count, which I actually then create. I have them right here, and you can see on a value, I'm using series one, in this case, it's total revenue, but it's actually using a parameter as well. So it allows me to just play around and switch. Actually, I haven't because I just adjusted it parameter. There we go. So you can see I can go from thousands of dollars into just the hundreds of users.